Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the core components: a DMD or DLP module, a bright LED light source, and a lens. Once sourced, inspect the DMD pins and note the connector type so you can match a controller. Start by mounting the LED on a heavy heatsink and wiring the constant current driver. This prevents thermal shutdown. Then secure the DMD to a temporary jig so you can align optics. Make sure to keep screws loose enough to fine-tune later. Once done with the basic mount, focus on optics and signaling. Position the projection lens at the DMD's focal plane using shims or threaded mounts, because small shifts change focus drastically. Next, connect the controller to the DMD and feed it appropriate video timing. Program the driver if required so pixel mapping matches. If you want color, add a spinning color wheel or synchronize RGB LED pulses with the DMD. Make sure heat and airflow routes remain unobstructed as you work. Finally, assemble the enclosure while leaving vents and a fan for steady airflow. This preserves lifespan. Power up with a safe current-limited supply, feed a simple test pattern, then tweak focus, keystone correction, and LED drive for even brightness. If the image is absent or distorted, first recheck power rails and connector seating, then verify the controller's signal timing and firmware. Often a loose ribbon or wrong timing profile is the culprit. Fix that and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.